Hey, it's your market recap for November 10 through 14, 2025. Let's hit the highlights fast. Main idea: risk assets whipsawed, stocks popped, then cooled. Crypto slid into fear. The Fed's next move got murkier thanks to a data blackout. Stock market recap. Monday kicked off roaring. Tech led a big rebound. Congress moved closer to ending the record shutdown. Nvidia, Broadcom, AI leaders pulled indexes higher on risk-on vibes. But the week turned mixed. Elevated AI valuations, heavy debt issuance, soaring AI capex. Oracle's wipeout spooked the trade. The tech-heavy Nasdaq sank around 3% for the week, its worst since the tariff shock months back. The S&P 500 slid about 1.6%, snapping a 3-week win streak. Macro fuel for caution. The shutdown starved markets of fresh labor and inflation data. With that void, the Fed's December path got hazier. Rate cut odds fell. Futures put the chance of a December cut near the mid-40s%. Investors nudged toward cash and away from high-beta names. Crypto market recap. Crypto sentiment cracked. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs saw about $1.11 billion in net outflows on the week. 3 straight weeks of institutions stepping back. The biggest bleed came from BlackRock's IBIT. Sizable losses also at Grayscale's mini trust. Bitcoin's correction deepened. It tested the low 90s, touching roughly 93Ks on Nov 17. About $565 million liquidated in 24 hours. Fear spiked. The crypto fear and greed index plunged to 9. Extreme fear not seen since 2022. Short-term holders did most of the selling into the drop. Total crypto market cap hovered near $331 trillion, roughly $1.1 trillion erased over the last 41 days. Crypto is in a classic sentiment cycle. Long-term conviction waits for stabilization. Why it matters. Fed uncertainty is the gravity here. No fresh jobs or inflation prints. Policymakers and markets flying half-blind. Lower odds of a December cut sap appetite for risk. Tech leadership is still the swing vote for stocks. When valuations get questioned, everything wobbles. What I'm watching next? The data catch-up. Delayed jobs and inflation numbers hitting the tape. Big implications for the December Fed meeting. AI earnings and capex updates. Proof of revenue to justify the spend. Bitcoin's battle zone. Can it hold above the low 90s and rebuild? Or does another leg down force more de-risking? ETF flows. Do outflows slow? Or does the bleed accelerate? Quick takeaway. Monday's hope rally met week-long reality checks. Until the data lands and the Fed signals clarity, it's a market trading on headlines, levels, and nerves. Stay nimble.